Hi, my name is Pattabhiraman and I am a student of IIM Trichy. This video on impact of road accidents on Indian economy is prepared as an academic project. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you about the data on accidents, the reasons for accident, how it impacts the economy, and how could we avoid this. First, let us see some disturbing statistics on road accidents in India. You could find that from the graph towards your left, you could see that there are about 5 lakh accidents in a year in India, resulting in about 1.5 lakh deaths and 5 lakh of injuries and disablements. The fatalities you could see are on an increasing trend for the past 3 years. When we come to severity rate, which is the number of people killed per 100 accidents, we could find again it is showing an upward trend for the past 3 years. In the year 2015, it was 29.1. You may please consider that in developed countries this figure is around 1 or even lesser. When we see the statistics on the age-wise distribution of deaths last year, it's very disturbing to know that a staggering 72% of those who lost their lives on the road were between 15 to 44 years of age, which is the most productive age. We boast that we have significant young population, and if the same trend continues, we will be losing this segment of the population. So, an interesting question is, how do accidents impact our economy? Accidents, as you know, have a huge social impact and cause irreparable loss to life. Apart from this, they also cause huge economic losses. In 14, the Planning Commission report, it is estimated that road accidents cause loss to the tune of about 3% of our GDP. This was 3.8 lakh crores for 15. Many of you may wonder that a 3% is a smaller number. Remember that this 3% could provide food security for our citizens for several years or help us build more than 800 smart cities. Our defense spendings in that year were around 2 lakh crores. Such is the impact of accidents on the economy. Let us see what causes accidents and which will help us understand how could we mitigate this problem. Data shows that over 80% of the accidents are caused by human error, which is broadly classified into following 5 categories: overspeeding, drunken driving, distraction to driver, like using phone or sending SMS, not following traffic signals, not wearing helmets or safety belts. How could we as citizens, or what could we do to minimize the impact of accidents on our economy? As you had seen, all the 5 major reasons for accidents are well within our control. We could mitigate this hazard by being a responsible driver. A few things which you could consider are: kindly obey traffic rules. Believe me, they are for our safety. Wear safety gear, they save your life. Avoid overspeeding, kindly follow the speed regulations. Follow lane discipline. How many of us have seen people take the extreme right lane and then they take a left turn? It really causes a lot of accidents. Never drink and drive. however confident you are, because your reflexes are slowed down when you consume alcohol. Please don't honk excessively, it increases stress levels, and as such, most of us have enough amount of stress. Lastly, kindly be patient and be considerate while on the road. Please remember that it all starts with you as a person.